don't understand. Nobody don't understand.
Yeah, Joe, you don't need.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or had a wonderful day. So I know I've been MIA for about 5 days now, but I've been really busy, guys, up and down, never get a chance to take up the camera. A matter of fact, today at the first me in the yard, them hours here, I've been on the road just to sort out stuff, but now I'm back with you guys. And I know I'm gonna cuss me off in the comment section already, so the least me can do right now is just apologize. I'm so sorry, guys, but I have stuff to get done, enough time I can't up and down with the camera, plus it's been raining. If you guys know, rain a fall from the other day. Right now rain a fall, so if you're not here, like, and I hear it, yeah, rain a fall. It sounds so good in the house here. You can't hear no rain from the rooftop. Me not love that. Anyways, I'm back. I'm gonna give some trouble. Excuse the bonnet, guys. My ear pull up and I need to pull it out, so I'm just throw the bonnet over it. But I'm gonna call out my friends and family and ask them if them know any moving truck. I'm not gonna just tell them something I move out, like, yeah, that me gonna do. So basically it's gonna lead to me telling them that I'm moving out. But if I just call them and tell them something I move out, no, them not gonna believe me. So I'm gonna ask them if them know a moving truck, and if them ask me further like what me want it for, then I'll tell them. But if them not ask me, we just start to hint one and two stuff like, me need the moving truck ASAP. Me need it today because me not stay here next day. So I'm gonna give some trouble. So ready? Let's see who first me gonna call. Mommy. Sad voice. Mommy. Pookie. Oh, hi Mia. Mommy. You know of any moving truck? One about him man where you tell me about one long time when we did a move.
No, not saying no bad thing. I want move. What move?
I need one moving truck.
Huh?
I need a moving truck.
Never let me say one move. What move?
I want to talk about it.
Huh?
I don't want to talk about it. I soon talk to you about it.
Oh, I don't want to move in truck.
I'm just tired of this.
You know what?
Just tired.
Eh?
Just tired, mommy.
I want to go. I
May I move?
want to you.
May I move?
But you move.
Everything it's just a long story.
But you just wait, so when you say you move, oh, you go move. Now one foot, one bed, one TV, one this. So what?
I am taking the things.
So all of this, so we don't understand. Look at man, that's a foolishness of media, man.
May I take the things them?
You can't just, if you have money to live, I want to decide to separate. You can't just make child, not to share with something they mom, but one not to try to work.
My music call, she nice.
You can't get a bamboo. They say, so you come over here, clear your head, and now then you can something and then, you know, think about it. You can't just get up after you move, so it's not easy. You can't just do that. You come over here, come clear your head. If you really need to say one little space, you come clear your head and think about it.
I already make up my mind.
Yes, sir.
I already make up my mind.
It's a rain of fall. I go to the man that said, yes, man, I will put you this and that to the food.
Me make up my mind and if me I move and me go look one moving truck in a rain and me not care.
I move away. I'm not tree.
Never think about that.
I mean, I tolerate them the something they will not be sitting on top of the phone first.
Mommy say for other tree me I move go.
You can't go out then you say okay, we can't come to a decision, but
Me no know when me I go put my things them, but me I move and me will find somewhere to put my things them. So if something then can't hook, just put them in a hall until me get a space.
My girl, talk foolishness and talk. Better you put on your clothes and come over and make we talk and talk about me. True. You better have Jason come call me and me sit down and re-talk to you too now. Yes,
Evan, mommy make me talk to Evan, come on, feel sad.
Sometimes you have to sit down and talk about things you know, to make decisions when you're mad. Because sometimes they make you wrong decisions.
Guys, I go plug in back the fan because I close the window because the rain are blowing, you know. So sorry if it's nice from now. Even though I have in the mic, so it might not be as loud. Outside dark. Anytime early. Who mommy gonna talk to? She nice, you see? She not love them something there. She love split justice and you know, she reasonable. Anyways, I gonna hang up. Me talk to mommy. No, but my affy. Okay. Yeah?
Because it's so foolish. Put your part all I never did before, so I wonder how me get back to talk to you. Then I realize to make the review because it was so cheap. Where you like a mother? And just to come make we have a talk in the rain.
You done clean?
I'm in the kitchen leave.
What mommy call Mia for me?
Let me go get her. Mia! Back to your sister.
Mia.
Yeah?
Tell grandma say a prank.
Grandma is a prank.
Eh?
You're wicked, you know?
Bye, I love you. It's a prank. Mwah, 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 mwah. I gonna call somebody else and don't tell Serena. Cause me gonna call Serena. Alright, so me gonna call my sister. Serena not even gonna believe me. Me wonder if me fi call her. Still I gonna try. Me not feel she gonna believe me. Me secretive bad. Them know me rarely talk about whatever me I go through. Nah, get her either. However, me not get her for a reason because when I think she would have believed.
Sorry, but the person you have.
Alright, me go call Lovell. Go call Lovell.
Hello?
Lovell,
Yeah?
you busy?
No?
You know of any moving truck?
Huh?
You know of any moving truck?
No, I know.
She can ask Lucy for me, please.
Hello, this person number.
Him know somebody?
Yeah, you can know this person number.
Lovell,
Get this person number.
Lovell, please, can make me have to move.
What happened?
It's just a lot.
Eh?
It's just a lot.
What happened?
Me I move out. Me serious, me I move out. Me I move out. Me I move out.
Where you go?
Me I go look somewhere. Me I go put this the things them somewhere and then look somewhere. Cause you know how hard forget.
But they can't just move and then you don't know where you go.
No, me I go put these things them somewhere and then look one place.
So what happened? That they ask you?
But it's just a lot here, man.
You can't just get up and leave like that.
It's alright, Lovell. Me we manage and me we bounce back.
No, but me I said, what happened? I thought I'm listening to you, sir.
Me not think me not do this anymore with him.
Yeah, but me I said, yes, I why you could have choose to be you choose to just get up and leave all of a sudden just so.
Just my mind, just my mind just tell me say it's time and it's just time. I'm just going.
So you have another boyfriend at home? Eh?
I go push her.
I love you, yeah?
Me not love, probably.
Probably what? Probably I love.
Probably I do have another one.
Hey! But there's no.
No, are you me I say too?
No, but you can't say to me. Me don't know nothing. Me not hear what you say like well. You never tell me never hear nothing.
Say you go tell her brother?
Eh?
Say you go tell her brother?
Of course, same like how he would have do something if him cheat on me, no, me and tell the same, so me have to pick up, tell him too.
Well,
And
me not want stray too much. Me just say me I go move. If the person want come with me, him come, but me I go move.
so what do today?
Me not know him there.
Tell me you know it, you can't even live.
Me not know him there. Me not watch him.
You can't understand it, you have to just get up and all of a sudden just make up your mind, say, how much do you say?
I'm not joking. I'm moving, and I'm taking the stuff with me, so he must know.
Which stuff?
Can't even say it. I'm so unselfish. I say it. Come on, Andrea.
Me don't understand things supposed to be shared equally more over. I want to pay for this.
Guys, when you hear me talk, me mute them. To myself and genuine, me can't even say it.
For instance, if you buy washing machine or if you buy stove or you buy fridge, it's for you guys. Even if I just buy better and buy just a thing to
No, we buy them, but me I carry them.
But why you carry them?
Level. You know any?
What could I really happen to make faces difference on this one? We can basically kind of been through worse than that. And you never like 6 years. I want to plan to marry this. We don't understand. We just don't understand.
Level, it's okay. Just want to move in truck. If me can move tonight, me I move tonight in a rain. Level.
You say just call me and tell me half a story. You know say another cycle. You know say once me tell the half a story, I go want your full story. So I want to hear the full story.
Level. Alright. Alright. The truth is a prank.
What? What you say?
The truth is a prank. Did I tell Jesus I'm find one new boyfriend?
Of course, because you're not going to be seen with a woman that will tell you.
Oh, a joke me I make man. A prank you know. My battery all are dead. No. Oh, my next camera battery there. God have mercy. Guys, my battery dead. I'm going to my next one. Level prank. Me a prank here. You're honey pie. Alright, later. Love you. Kiss Adiana for me. What my next battery? Alright. Yeah. Guys, my battery dead. I can't find the next camera battery. Oh, I know where there. So we're back on track. That did really funny. Level safe. Me find another boyfriend. I should have mommy asked me that time. I tell her if you see what she would have course. I go call Kimona now. I call straight. When I call people straight, them take it more serious than when I call on WhatsApp.
Hello?
Kim,
Yeah?
you busy? You know any moving truck?
Moving truck?
Mm-hmm.
No, moving truck. You know, me just there, I think about moving truck, the girl.
Me need a moving truck.
Yeah, move?
Girl, me a move out. Me can't do this. You hear me?
What happened?
Girl, it's a long story. Just a move out.
That don't make no sense. I get up and just move out. What happened?
I find it courage. Me wait talk about it, but I just want a moving truck for now. I may take everything.
So what happened? You just get up and move out to Angel.
It's a lot, Kim.
You can't just get up and just move out so.
Why me can't just get up and move out so though? Why?
But man, I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is happening. Which you say you don't have the courage to talk now. But at least you have to give me a hint to say what is happening. You'll get up and you're going to move go weird. Not give me time, man. Understand thing time serious. If you took my hat, I need a breeze out. If you keep me need a breeze out, you come, we go somewhere else, whatever the case is. I don't know what's happening. You can't get up here and move out and you take everything. Why that sound so?
Me already make up my mind. 2, me open for advice, but me still make up my mind. And if me tell you why me me not gonna say me not gonna say why me in a sound like me. Well, me not gonna say why me I move out, but and girl. Matter of fact, I find somebody else on his side.
Andra, if somebody they know you get the things in, that the person know you get the things in, I pick up the things away, find somebody else, find somebody else. Everybody go through them things, you're ready to talk about it. But you ain't not worth it, girl. Them shit they're not worth it. Pick up your hard earning ground backside, man, nowadays they don't even know. Girl, she don't come and if you need to breathe out, you breathe out. You come up to talk about it, but you know worth it.
Kim?
Angel?
It's not like the person make me a move and me a move for my own reason, but the guy also
you
a
won't
move.
be unfaithful to Jason, you take up yourself a move and then on top that's selfish.
It's not the guy make me a move, another guy, but the guy is moving and me decide so we can split the rent and it would be better.
That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense at all. No sense at all that they make. And me sorry, you really could take me around here and me talk to you. But this is one I'm not on the trainer with you because I always tell people to keep your circle small. Nowadays people so slim through. Like the boy that doesn't know him watch it on YouTube and know you. And just people make mistakes. People make mistakes, but at the end of the day, at the end of the damn day, things can look past and correct yourself. Stand up and correct yourself.
Correct myself?
Oh, you tell me, say, are you just tell me, say, unfaithful, you know, just say that?
No, he's my friend.
Say, Angel, get up and move your fiancé with friend, man friend. Take a breather. Come out of the house. Let me come meet you. Let me drive, come for you. Sometimes you just need a few minutes to calm down and think about your actions before you really get up and go.
You don't understand. You don't understand. Nobody don't understand.
Angel, you don't need to cry. You don't need to cry. Don't get up and make no drastic decision now. You don't need to cry, Angel. Things happen, just call me and say, come for me, Kimona, and me come for you. You know, tell me what you understand.
I think you don't understand. I agree.
Can't agree, MJ. Just need to make me understand the situation. And about me, I cry because I do no wrong with you.
I cry?
Angel.
If you love me, give me a kiss. If you love me, give me a kiss.
Yeah.
Oh, how that kiss that sound so?
Dry.
Give me a proper kiss. Give me a proper kiss. Give me a proper kiss. Oh, thank you. I love you. You make me feel like I want to hang up your phone. Oh. That was so sweet. That did really sweet. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm not gonna call nobody else. I'll probably do a part 2. Comment and let me know if I should do a part 2. And guys, it's for fun and games. You know, me have to just say some things to get under them skin, because them know me soft and mushy and emotional. So certain things them now gonna expect from me. So me have to just say the things them, we're gonna draw them out so me can, you know, get into the prank. So don't bother with it guys. Fun and games. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Bye guys.